Fred. What is he?
Maybe a video. He said he also sent me. I found another way for Cheryl to make money on YouTube. Let's hit that. He buys hit
Buy
super
super.
things and
Nice.
it's super chat. It's like super chat. He buys super things. Hit buy super. Oh,
Oh, I seen this one. Where the kid's afraid of his shadow
okay.
with Fred's head.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I love birds.
Is he
Hi
there?
Sir Fred. We read your comment, your message.
Sheryl Ohm's live. Okay. Okay, just go find the phone store. What's up, Uncle Freddie?
Guys, Uncle Freddy, thank you so much. Yes, I hear you. Yeah, we searching for the Wi-Fi, like what packet Wi-Fi. Need to find the packet Wi-Fi.
I'm gonna have a breastfeeding station.
Yeah,
You
breastfeeding.
gotta feed your baby.
Yes, yes, the phone. There. Oh, something. Yeah.
Computer's here. What's this?
Not there. I think not. How much? Here, maybe I
Oh,
think
here.
we try. Maybe we try to.
And they got phones here. Maybe they have.
Yeah.
Esther. Esther.
Ay, may ano po kaya dito? With extender.
Pocket Wi-Fi.
No. Walang packet wifi. Try nyo magdam sa cyber. Okay, thank you po.
Thank you. All right, here.
Cyber zone, yeah. Excuse me, may packet wifi? Wala po. No packet wifi.
More stores. Somebody's got to have them. There's right here, Samsung.
Yes, maybe we try for Samsung. Cheryl, slow down, Mike.
What? What do you say?
Cheryl, slow down, Mike.
I can't do that.
Excuse me po. May packet wifi po kayo na. No packet. No packet wifi.
Somebody's got to.
Oh, yeah. Kahit ano po. Kahit ano po. Sa kabilang store. Packet wifi. Okay na. Maybe packet wifi.
Maybe.
Maybe. Maybe this. Maybe this time.
Somebody's got to have them.
Yeah. At least Mike getting his yes. May packet wifi po kayo. Salamat. Thank you po. No.
Somebody's got to have them.
I say smart or sa globe app. Maybe we try to the globe or smart.
What?
Globe or the smart.
All right.
Bring him to Sumbasa.
Little girls.
Hi. Hi. Sir Fred said, bring him to Sumba someday. At this. Thank you, Sir Fred. ano, Globe. Phone store, no packet Wi-Fi. Excuse me. May packet Wi-Fi po kayo. Thank you po. No packet Wi-Fi.
Nobody.
Yeah, no. Oh, maybe she said maybe we try to Octagon. Octagon. If nothing, we because most use now is data connection. Thank you. Chris
World's
loves.
first Wi-Fi devices.
Yeah. Ay, excuse me po. May packet Wi-Fi po kayo?
Oh,
Oh, yes.
5G only.
Oh, 5G. Magkano po ang ganun?
8K.
Oh, 8,000.
how much?
8,000. 8,000.
Sounds right.
It's expensive.
Huh?
Expensive.
Not really. I mean, okay.
It's okay. May iba pa ka muna.
Wala po available.
Ano, available Wi-Fi. Just only
Meron po kasi reverse charging
reverse charging.
para power bank.
It's like diretso na siya power bank. It's also a power bank.
Hmm.
Power bank.
Oh yeah, it'll power your phones too.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, while you're out. Yeah. So you keep that charged.
Yeah.
Your phone's charging while you're out.
Yeah.
If the battery gets low, you can
Oh,
charge.
yeah.
Okay.
We buy this?
Yeah, we buy that.
Really.
What's Fred saying?
Sir Fred, we found that packet Wi-Fi, but expensive.
30,000 pesos.
I have Globe packet. Ayun. He said Globe packet
What
Wi-Fi.
do you say?
Globe packet Wi-Fi. Ma-insert na lang kami dito sa
Kahit anong SIM mo.
any SIM card. Because it is the link. Yung ano, brand niya, the link.
Daily.
D-Link. 30K.
Today's Thursday, right?
Huh?
Today's Thursday?
Thursday?
Today's Thursday.
Yeah, today is
Oh,
Thursday.
Pocket Wi-Fi is half price on Thursday. Look, going this way.
Okay. Cheryl as discount. No discount because we are here at the mall. Is she worth it, Mike? Sir Fred said it's worth it.
Huh? What's he saying?
Is she worth it, Mike?
Absolutely.
Search around more before you. We before we go here,
How much?
we look at the other store, but no available Wi-Fi. Sir Fred said, search around more. We already.
We did. That's about that's the right price. More change.
Yeah. Globe. No Globe. No packet Wi-Fi at the Globe store.
Thank
Thank
you.
you po.
Okay, got Pocket Wi-Fi.
Yeah. We already have packet Wi-Fi. Yes. My God, I can do live stream everywhere.
Yeah. It should work pretty good.
Yes, because I can connect maybe two or more my two phones.
But when you're riding tricycle,
Yeah.
it's still not good because I guess maybe because he's moving it inside the metal. I don't know.
Mm. Hurry up, Mike, catch up.
What?
Hurry up, Mike, catch up. Catch.
Now where? What time is it?
11.
Got time to eat?
Yes.
You hungry?
Yeah.
Okay. You pick a place.
Yeah. Maybe second
Girl's
floor.
hungry again, Fred.
I'm hungry again. Time to eat.
My girl's hungry again. Yes, got the pocket Wi-Fi.
Yes, we have a Wi-Fi. Oh my God. Looks like Cheryl looking at ceiling, looking at what it means.
Looks like Cheryl looking at ceiling,
Looking up at
looking
Mike.
up at
What
Mike.
means
Oh,
like this?
yeah. Here, look. Look, now look.
Yeah.
Oh, watch your feet. Then when you sit down, you can put this inside your backpack so it's
Okay,
safe.
maybe I will. She gonna have a sore neck.
Okay.
Because she gonna have a sore neck like.
Are you going to eat? What kind of food you want?
Yeah, like steak, something like that.
Roasters. I got chicken over there.
Chicken over there.
Look at that menu. See what they have.
Yeah.
What they have here.
Yeah, we try
Spaghetti.
spaghetti.
What is that?
What is that?
Back ribs.
American slam. Baby back ribs.
They have some steak. I don't know.
Some steak. Have some steak.
But I don't know what kind of steak you like.
Steak.
Whatever you want. You want to look around?
Yeah.
What's in here?
Maybe here because no people here. Yes,
These
yes,
ribs,
yes.
they're good.
So,
Ribs
yes.
are good.
So we try that.
You want to try that?
Maybe there.
Oh,
Ano po? Ribs po. Apo. What do you want?
I don't know. What's it look? That looks good. I don't know. See what they have. That's something to drink. Oh, look at this. There you go.
Oh wow, I want something like it's good. I'm sure Mike has sworn.
What do you say?
No, we can't trade.
I'm going to have a sore neck. I'm sure Mike has sore neck from licky licky. Yes.
So what? Trying to keep head up.
It's beef, but it's a rib. The ribs are in there, and it's usually very good and tender and tasty. There's bones in here. Everyone's a bone, so it's all meat around it. They're good.
Me, I'm good with this.
Yeah, half. Look, yeah, half. Because it's a lot. But
Okay.
what's this one?
This is big.
Wait a minute. You get ribs and a chicken. I don't know. Let me see. Oh, wow. Look at this. Salads.
Salads.
Snacks. Sure, also a snack.
Yeah.
want this one with the chicken and that?
But it's a lot. It's good. It's only this. Not
We'll have to ask when she comes. I know they have head. What do you call it? That's a big.
it's a big one.
That's big.
It's good. Because I don't want to eat the rice.
I'm thinking maybe something like that for me. Chicken. Maybe I'll get this one too. Yeah, I like this. Me too.
But I can't eat this.
You don't like chicken?
I like chicken. Maybe we can like the leftover. We can bring the whole.
I think so.
Okay, that's it.
And I want a side of Sheryl.
Hi.
Sheryl for dessert.
Ground wheaton is another way. What it means. Mama, I am top one.
What is
My
it?
God, really, Mama?
What?
My son said, Mama, I'm on the top one. Oh my God, thank you,
Yeah,
God. We have like this gift for you.
Yeah, we have gift for them.
Ano, mauli na ako sa aga. May regalo kami sa imo. Yes. Mom, tomorrow morning, yes. Tomorrow morning, yeah. I'm proud of you, Gab. Love you, Gab. Hi.
Where's my iPhone?
Nano man yan to. Secret surprise, Gab. Narigalo mo. Surprise nga eh. Surprise, Gab. Surprise, Gab.
Yeah. We'll just get 2 of these, and whatever's extra we take with us
Yeah.
for Cheryl's snack for later.
Yeah.
Is Bully Man still there? Is
What's bawal pala sabihin? Yes.
that your son?
Oh, my son bullied me.
He's bullying you?
I said, Mom, I'm on the top one. He said, what's your gift? I said a secret. She said, subscribe to my mom channel. Thank you, Gab. And like. Subscribe. Thank you, Sa. Thank you, Gab. Love you, Gab.
What's on here?
And like. Maybe we need to ask for the.
Oh, all this for 4 people? How do you get this? 4 people can eat it.
Yeah.
And on the sides. Is that a whole chicken?
Maybe we can go there now to order.
I don't know if we do that or if she comes to us. I'm not sure. It's this one. Yeah, we want. Drinks they have. I want that nice cold top tier of Coke if they have it. Yeah, I don't know. Can we order here or over there?
Yeah, we can go there now. Come on,
Huh?
we go there now. iPhone 17.
What's it?
May gulay. Oh my God.
So maybe it's good. Maybe when I come back, in the summer.
Mike said when he pagbalik daw niya, baka mag-Gcash ka karatita mian. Mauli na kami sa aga.
How much a phone holder? Like a little stand.
Yeah, I think
Little,
that's
buy one here. Not much.
not much.
It's a small one, so you can put it like on the table, right?
Yeah, we went to the table. But no worries if
When I get home, I gotta get one for myself because I don't have one. I'm always trying to fix it on my desk,
yeah, that's why.
and then it falls down.
Yeah. Gcash ng 500. Okay.
What's that?
Oh, yeah. Okay, mamaya. Gcash ako mamaya. For once a wife give her the money.
Who? To Gab?
Yeah. Mom, please. Okay. Later.
He needs to ask you for iPhone 17 while you're getting licky-licky. He goes, okay.
Lalo na oras. Mamaya pag di na busy. Hapon. Nagkaon ka na?
See, even though you guessed right, you didn't know what the 76 was. That there's 76 diamonds and you counted every one of them.
No. I know I guess it. No.
You said ring one time, I said, no. I said, well,
Engagement ring.
remember I kept telling you I'll buy one over here.
Yeah. No one, the woman, engagement or just having a engagement or I mean, woman siya survive engagement for the party. We don't know, it's a secret. I want iPhone 7. Pagkamay.
Who's that, Fred?
First ako, second